Hey, now that is good
Oh,
hair.
looky.
That is good hair. I like
Damn right, man.
that is good hair. Do you like my helmet? It's like, yeah. Like
Yeah.
sort of like.
I'm not gonna say nice, whatever I should be saying because that's gonna sound wrong.
I'll say it anyway. It doesn't really matter.
I'm fine then. Nice helmet, Chris.
Excuse me.
Oh,
That's got me all.
we're so close.
Got me all flustered.
Let's arrive. Woohoo!
There's only 2 of us. Destroy the blimp. Oh, I fucking hate this. I've still got the you've got the lightsaber.
I've got a lightsaber.
This is going to be difficult without the double jump. I haven't even got the double jump yet. Oh no.
You haven't got the double jump yet?
No, I haven't.
Can you not actually do the double jump?
No.
Oh, fucking hell, man.
This is going to be freaking
You
hard.
should have probably just done that. Should have got yourself to that point at least, just have the double jump.
Let's make it easy. Let's make it hard on ourselves, shall we?
This is gonna be a challenge, man.
Kill 4. Please go.
Oh, not yet.
What the
Huh?
fuck was that?
Oh, fucking laptop being an ass. Fizco! Dick off! I got a bomb. Where is it?
I got one. Where is it?
Can't reach over there yet. Even with my double jump. Woo!
Boink. No, that's outside the box.
Over there, you fucking.
Get in the box. There you go. Thank you. Good. Where are bombs? Oh no. Oh no. It's all go wrong.
Where are they? I forgot where they are. Gone over it. Fucking, that's miles away.
I've got no life. No life. I'm gonna keep going here. This is
Don't put yourself down like that.
my best way. I've got no life. I'm going in. There we are.
Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun.
We can get another one on. Come on, come on.
Where is it?
Come on.
No!
Oh no!
Come it! I can! I got double jump.
I'm back. Portaling in. Where are we? Shit.
No! Don't! Get up! Pick the fucking sausage up, you piece of I'm dead. All because it wouldn't pick up the damn fucking hot dog. I love this game's, like, death things.
What have you just...
Right,
I just had the...
Right.
There, that'll do.
I'm sorry, Chris, but your game's now gonna not know what the hell's going on. As I get angry at things.
They're all just going to witness death, are they? No.
Enjoy, fuckers! Ah!
Uh-oh. Is everything just going to blow up? I can just hear hairspray bomb going off left, right and centre. Oh man, I need to get up here somehow. How am I going to do that?
Welcome!
Welcome to the Thunderdome! Where's the thing?
So far, I've actually never done this one yet.
I have...
We've always failed at it. Well, we still got half his fucking health at the moment, mate. Why don't I just blow it up?
You can't just blow it out of the air though, can you? No, that would be easy, you know.
Yeah, it would decimate the fucking thing if that was the case.
Where is it? There it is.
Stop shooting me!
I would have thought this would be like more painful than eye surgery, but it isn't actually. I mean, I'm not doing great, I'm having to admit, but it's not as painful as I thought it would be.
Yeah. Oh, we turned it red.
Yeah. Oh, damn it, I'm not...
If we had another person, I think.
Yeah, we could have got that.
Damn. First things first, Chris, and it's a fail.
Well, you got 11 bombs, that's not bad. I got 4 bombs.
Bad. Well, you know, I can double jump, so it makes it a lot easier.
3 kills each.
I'm now in the river. bloody river.
I can see you like, wee! This is the weird thing, is that I can still do the whole, like, on the zip wire thing.
Huh?
No, I can still do the old zip wire thing, but it's still like blast
What,
forward.
the boost?
Yeah, but you can't do the old
Air dash.
air
Yeah.
dash, yeah. That is something I quite badly miss.
Touching down.
Yes. Let's do it. I need a good weapon.
I do love the crack. Guess what's gonna happen here, Chris?
Watch crack. What's that?
Lots of explosions are gonna happen here.
Explosions!
If that's, I think that's what we got to do here, isn't it?
Yeah, just
Scab construction is just decimate scabs.
pretty much.
Oh, we got to destroy the forts. I remember this.
Yeah.
Destroy 2 turrets. We can both do that, Chris. Let me know if we need to destroy a turret. Destroy a bunker in under 3
Let's
minutes.
do it.
Piece of piss.
Obviously, because I've still got the DLC. I get all the DLC weapons. They're just incredibly underpowered. Well, I've got 1 turret.
Chris, my weapons aren't doing as much damage as I remember them doing.
No, the same here, mate. I've got another turret as well.
I'm going to use my rivet blaster. No. Try that.
Oh shit, what the fuck was that? I'm literally just
Stop
shooting.
going away from it.
Yeah, I did it.
Right.
Die, scabs! I hear something flying overhead.
Oh.
Oh no, oh come on! This is annoying! There we go.
Whee.
Na, 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 na.
Na 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 na.
Scabs.
Ah.
Oh, this is so
Ah.
annoying.
Where am I going? That way. Onto the
Landing.
over the bridge, you fucking ass.
Clear the search button. Let's do this.
Hadouken. Yoits.
Liking on the hair. Have you got headphones on as well? You have.
Yeah, I've got headphones on.
Damn right.
Oh, I have. Yeah. Of course I have. Well, sadly,
I mean
because I
your
deleted my old character.
Yeah.
Do you remember what my old character looked like? He was like full-on Valkyrie woman. So
I had like.
I'm a little disappointed now.
Well, I had obviously like pimp hat and like cape on, didn't I? In my old one.
Yeah. What are we going to be doing? I wasn't paying
Killing
attention.
them.
Ah, cool. Whee! Explosion! Whee! It does make it unfair now.
So I'll just keep trying to do as much as I can.
To the east, Chris. To the
window.
east.
It's the sound of the east.
To the window. To the wall.
Oh no, get up there.
I need different guns.
You need different guns.
Fuck it, I'll stay for this one. Yeah, but I'm only using the same one. I need to change it up. Oh, I love my stuff that I can do with my character. Makes it so much more easy.
Yeah, you telling me?
Whee! Explosion! Oh no, Chris, I'm running out of ammo.
I've run out of ammo.
Hang on, I got
Oh,
ammo.
shit. Oh, he's gone. Oh no! 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 Oh, I am Tutankhamun. Am I coming, John? In my slow ass way. I need a weapon. Dirty Harry, that'll do.
Right, we should have waited to do this till you got the some form of explosives.
It's fun. Leave it be. Actually, have I got the TN Teddy? I think I've got the TN Teddy.
You should have TN Teddy. That should at least give you something.
Yeah, hang on. I'll wait until I get. This all going P-Tong.
I need. There we go. There's some health. Good stuff. Need that. Oh, hello.
It's a Herker.
When did you show up?
Oh, there's two of them turned up. Yes. Oh no, my
Taste laser. Ah! Durr! 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 Durr!
Yeah.
You love it!
Shut! Oh, this one's still alive.
Don't run from me!
He's dead. Yes. Right, let's just. I got 26 kills.
Woo!
Yay! 26 kills!
It is making it a bit too easy that I've finished the game and you haven't really started.
Oh god.
Never
That's
cooking with nukes.
No.
I can't do cooking with nukes. It doesn't work.
It's just impossible.
I'll tell you what, Chris. I've got a new not amp defense thing.
Alright.
Do we all get our own amount, or do we get? Is it all together?
I can't remember.
I've forgotten now.
off the top of my head.
Because I have basically a giant laser
Oh, right.
that decimates everything. It's like you can just stick it outside the front of one of the bases, and it will just laser everything.
Oh, no. Come on. Oh, great. It's going to take me forever to get on top of the fucking building now. Right, can you not start yet? I just want to equip my... I haven't got my TNT Teddy equipped, so I'll just get that all done.
Really? What have you been using, Chris?
What have I?
I mean, come on.
What have I been using? I've got the rocket and all that sort of thing. The TNT Teddy. There we are.
I'm surprised you haven't busted out the what's it called? The record one, whatever it's called.
Yeah, I've got that on. Yeah, I've got that on.
I'm surprised you haven't been using it, because that's probably pretty decent actually about now.
Yeah, it's not so bad. The thing is I've got all the weapons from all the DLC, so I actually can use some of them.
Have you done all the DLC stuff already?
No, honestly, when you download when you download the DLC, it gives you the weapons for it as well. So
no, you got the like the other stuff, didn't you? It's like the shot, the hot shotty or whatever it's called.
Yeah, that's it.
All those ones.
Bouncy. Just to let you know, I'm dead. That was.
Don't worry.
That's because I just tried to take on everyone by myself.
I'm coming. Oh, need that. That'll destroy things. Right, Chris, you can destroy stuff or do the things.
No. Okay, I'm respawning soon. I really shouldn't have done that by myself. Wow. I'm coming up.
Come on.
Coming up to hack in a sec.
Yay! My computer, my little drone things are doing well. Yes, done that. That's one.
You got the old helicopter ones.
Yeah, man. They do really well now. They've
really
been
good,
like, I don't know if they've been tweaked or whatever.
When you
They do a lot more sort of damage and stuff than what I was remembering them doing.
I'm going for the console.
Right, I'm ready. I mean, how decimate everything.
Ah, damn it.
Did it still hit you?
A popper got near me, I think.
As a popper.
Okay, we're done. Next. I do all the work. He just blows shit up. I do all the proper work.
Whee! Hey, I did the first one.
You did. That's true.
Check your privilege.
Check your shit.
Right, off you go, Chris.
Okay. Got my back of it. Jeez, they are keep racking up, they are, aren't they?
Yeah, man, they're doing a fucking ton of damage.
Next. Whee!
Oh, this one, I remember this one. This always causing nightmares.
Yeah.
Let me do this one, mate. Alright. Doing it!
Okay, going for it. Go on, go.
Ah, no! In spitters.
They're the bastards, aren't they?
Because they hit you from miles off and you can't even see where they are.
Sitting there.
Come on, almost done, almost done, almost done! Done!
Yes!
Eat shit!
Eat shit and die.
The best thing is I've got the, what's it called, equipped? The one where you, if someone tries to hit you, it rebounds off them.
Yeah, yeah.
So at least I get one hit or two before... Which one do you want to do, mate?
Urban Jungle's always a good one.
That one's got mod.
Yeah,
that one's got more stuff for it as well.
Isn't it? I'm going down. I'm going to die. Not anymore. No, you're just freaking out now. All I can see, literally, I can just see you as a blur.
I'm just hovering in the middle at the moment. Right, I need to try and send this message before we do anything else. So if we can get to somewhere where I can be safe for a second while I send a text quick.
That's fine. That's cool.
Oh, cheers, Chris.
That's all.
I'm getting tons of points and stuff without even doing anything.
Yes. Bouncy.
Right, do one! Oh, I died.
Ouch. Come on, respawn. I'm gonna come back as now. Yeah. Bing. Boom.
Right, there you go, sorted.
Good dish.
Oh, hello. You're a big old boy, aren't you? What brings you to this neck of the woods? I don't want that gun, I want that gun. Right, message sent.
Jolly jolly.
Sort this out.
Gonna smash this shit.
Jesus Christ! I'm on my way. Hoo-cha!
This is why I need to hurry up and get through the game so I can start getting cool shit again.
Yeah. I'm a little bit disappointed I had to fucking dick around and try and figure out
How to play the game again.
I have to go downstairs for a second. Yeah, I can't believe I forgot.
I did, yeah, to be fair. Complete 2 challenges, complete 3 challenges. That's a bonus, isn't it? Grind kills, that's cool. I can deal with that.
I can't do that once.
How am I not doing grind kills? Am I actually supposed to kill them? What's going on? Why am I not?
You gotta
Well, it says
be
do-
grinding, don't you?
Yeah, I am grinding. Well, I'm under grinding, but. Oh, do you reckon that?
That's undergrind.
Oh no, I've got it. That's it. There we are. It's decided it wants to play ball now. There we are. Melee kills. Oh, great. Here we go. Just get on a taxi and just hurt. Well, thank you, John. You completed that rather quickly.
Literally, right? In the last one,
I
went
got one challenge.
it just mine just went for what they called like stage 2 kills. I just stayed. I didn't move. I just kept bouncing on the car.
That's a good way to do it. Oh, dear, excuse me.
5% damage to all versus all enemies. Good stuff. Things gonna get fucked up.
Do one trap, can't we? That's great. That's just fucking. That's just great. That's just fucking great.
Alright. Kind of put that here.
Okay, I got one.
Right, so there's no. By the looks of it, there's nothing defending this side. So I'll just stick myself to defending over here most of the time.
That's fine. Is there any ammo over here? There is.
Actually, yeah, that's an idea. Babbly jabbly.
Jabbery, jabbery.
Whee! Ready, Chris?
Do it!
Do it!
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it!
I keep forgetting. Have I got to use your YouTube name?
That's alright.
Should I use your YouTube name?
That's alright.
Why am I doing that when I've got this gun? Explosions! Ah!
Bad melee. Where are you coming from now, you undead bastards? Certainly on the gates. There we are. Yeah, level 3. Woo! That wasn't hard. Oh, they're coming now.
Have you seen my nice little laser, Chris?
I haven't, but I'll have a look. Oh no, I'm out.
I'm running out of ammo. There we go.
Yeah,
More ammo for me.
They're at the gates.
My thing is lasering as much as it humanly can, I think.
Yeah, they're at the side gate.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. That's probably why that's not doing any damage to
They're through
things.
the gates.
They won't be for long.
I'm running out of ammo left, right, and centre. Nice, little flower ammo. Very good. Oh shit, they're on the bats. Damn it.
They're not though. That's the thing. It keeps doing that at the moment. There's no way of them getting into the vats just yet.
Yeah.
Boom shakalaka.
Shit. Ooh, shut up.
Oh crap! There's fucking tons of the bastards.
Oh no.
I forgot the more chaos we get, the more difficult it becomes.
That's alright. We'll do it. We're alright. Hey, we're not doing bad. Bear in mind, there's only 2 of us. Uh-oh. I spoke to 2. Oh, there's a Herker and they're doing bad. Gay, so...
Don't worry, Chris. I'm on it.
Oh, no, we're fine. We're through the wave.
Still a perker inside.
I'll do it outside.
Oh shit! I just realised my fucking thing's gone. There we go.
There we are, that's fine.
I destroyed my fucking thing again. Damn it!
Destroyed your
Damn it!
laser. Damn it, my trap's gone as
No,
well.
I don't know if I... Oh, taking some damage.
Yeah, taking some damage.
It's off, you spitting pricks.
Here they come. Boom!
Why am I not using these?
Oh dear! Oh god! I can't see. Oh my god!
No, my turret's gone again!
Space.
I'm dead.
These explosions.
Yeah, a severe amount of shit there.
Ah no!
Survive, Chris. I'm respawning in 1 second. I'm in the zombie
Ah,
motherfucker.
I'm
Get
dead.
up.
I'm dead. I'm back. Explosion weapons!
Lasers!
Yes, I'm infecting them, so they'll attack each other. Aha!
Oh, I just ate an entire bag of dicks there with that one. Jesus, that hurt. Come on. Should not have used my laser gun, should have actually gone full blown. Fuck you all!
How'd he get up there? Did we do it? Yeah!
Yes!
Yeah! Yeah!
Awesome! Nice teamwork.
Awesome!
Awesome!
There you go, cat. Well, that was pathetic on my behalf.